Syngenta rootstocks. Healthy plant growth is essential to ensure both yield and quality. However, viruses pose a serious threat. A prominent example today is tomato brown rugose fruit virus. In this video, we show how Syngenta's rootstocks with intermediate resistance to tomato brown rugose fruit virus, Kronosor, fervor, armor and honor, help reduce the impact of the virus and enhance crop health. Everything begins with the sowing of the rootstock. Once the seed is planted, the germination process starts, producing roots and the first true leaves. Syngenta's rootstocks are specifically developed to offer a strong root system and intermediate resistance to tomato brown rugose fruit virus, helping to mitigate its effects from the earliest growth stages. The use of rootstocks has grown significantly in recent years, becoming a key tool for protecting crops against disease, as well as extending growing cycles and improving yield and fruit size. Once the seedlings reach the appropriate size, grafting is carried out by precisely joining the scion to the rootstock. Syngenta's rootstocks with intermediate resistance to tomato brown rugose fruit virus consistently develop a vigorous and extensive root system and support increased flowering and fruit set. Additionally, these rootstocks help optimize plant vigor, productivity and tolerance to various stresses, maintaining high performance even in the presence of the virus. Tomato brown rugose fruit virus can spread through contact with contaminated hands, tools, machinery, or even infected roots. Once inside the plant, the virus replicates in leaves, stems, fruits, and roots. This can lead to leaf chlorosis and deformation, stunted growth, poor flowering, and a high proportion of unmarketable fruit due to mottling, discoloration, and other damage. However, the use of Syngenta rootstocks with intermediate resistance helps limit viral movement and propagation within the plant and reduce the resulting damage. In addition to genetic resistance, following strict hygiene practices is critical to minimize virus spread. Key recommendations include: avoid visiting production sites after contact with previous crops. Always wear gloves and avoid moving tomatoes or peppers between greenhouses. Keep your phone in a sealed plastic bag and do not use it inside the greenhouse. Wash hands between greenhouse visits and enter through disinfectant mats. Avoid carrying personal accessories into the greenhouse. Syngenta's intermediate resistant rootstocks help reduce virus replication in the roots and its subsequent spread throughout the plant. At the same time, they contribute to crop performance by boosting plant vigor and energy. The result is a more stable and profitable production, with healthier plants and higher quality fruit. Crop health is essential. Protect your yields with Kronosor, fervor, armor, and honor. Syngenta's rootstocks with intermediate resistance to tomato brown rugose fruit virus, and safeguard the future of your harvest. Syngenta. Innovation at the service of growers.